I'm just going to get something to eat because I'm so hungry. There's some restaurant here. I want to see. There's some Family Mart. There's also 7-Eleven. I think I'll go to 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven in the corner. Japan House Night, guys. I'm here. Yeah. There's 7-Eleven. I'm going over there. And there's like lots of vending machine over here. Everywhere. Everywhere have a vending machine.